Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining standard form. So what is standard form? Here we will write chapter 5.4 standard form. So what basically is standard form? Standard form is used to express very small or very large numbers. So in a compact way and efficient way. So if you have 0.054, it will be easy to lose one or two zeros when counting how many zeros are there. So what we will do is, instead of writing 0.054, we will write 5.4 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus. So how many times? 1, 2. So minus 2. So this will be 5.4 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 2. Another example is, we have 320,000 and we have to write this in standard form. So what we will do is write 320,000 as 3.2 and then multiply this by 10, and the power will be the number of zeros that has to be added or multiplied with 3.2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 10 to the power of 5. Now another example is, if we have, which is 390. So what we will do is write 3.9 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2, because from here it will move 1 and 2. So 10 to the power of 2. Now when using the standard form, first, if we have another type in which we have 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 5. This is standard form. Now we have to write this in standard form with the other brackets. Multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6. So what we will do is, we multiply 3 and 2, which will be 6, and then we will add the powers of the tens. So 6 plus 5 is 11. So 10 to the power of 11. So the answer will be 6 multiplied by 10 to the power of 11. Another example is, if we have 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8. So what we will do is, here we will expand this, which is 9 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6, and then we will multiply 3 by 10 to the power of 8. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 3 and 8. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 here, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, and here we have 6. So now here we have 3 and 3, 3 and 3. So 9 plus 300 will be 309, and then 2 times 3 zeros. So here, like this. Now we have this, which is 309 million. Now we will write this as standard form, which will be 3.09 multiplied by 33678. So 10 to the power of 8. So this is how we will do. So 3.09 multiplied by 10 to the power of 8. Now another example for this is, if we have 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4 plus 4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3. So what we will do is, we will expand this. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 3. So 4, 1, 2, 3. So what we'll do is add this together, and this will be 34,000. So in standard form it will be 3.4 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4, because here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So like this. Another topic for standard form is if we have small numbers. For example, here we will do like this. Standard number, standard form for small number. So standard form for small numbers. So over here, if we have 0.004, 0.004, so what we'll do is in standard form, this will be 4 multiplied by how many times it has moved to the left side, the decimal point. 1, 2 and 3. So 10 to the power of minus 3. So this will be the answer. Another example is if we have 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 10 to the power of minus 7. So in the above question, which I've already explained, we multiplied the main two numbers, which will be 3 and 2, which will be 6, multiplied by the powers will be added. Minus 3 plus minus 7 will be 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 7. This minus plus minus will be minus 10. So the answer will be 6 times 10 to the power of minus 10. So this is what we will do in standard form for small numbers. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any question regarding this topic, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will message if you have any queries. See you in the next video. Bye.